In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own music website using Wix. This is a great tool for musicians looking to showcase their talents online. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can set up a professional looking site in no time. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, just sign up. The process is straightforward. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new site. You'll find this option right on your dashboard, and with a simple click, you'll be on your way to having a brand new home for your music. When prompted about what type of site you want to create, make sure you select music. This choice will tailor the site creation process specifically for you as an artist. Once you've chosen music, go ahead and click on Music Artist. This ensures the templates and features suggested will be most relevant to your music career. Once selected, click on Continue, and you'll move forward to the next exciting step. Now that you've set the foundation, click Continue to Dashboard to access a suite of tools for customizing your site. This dashboard gives you complete control over the look and feel of your online presence. Next, click Design Your Site. This is where the fun really begins, as you get to decide the aesthetic of your space. After that, click on Pick a Template. You'll find a wide range of music templates to explore. These are specifically designed for bands, solo artists, DJs, and producers, ensuring your site stands out. Once you find a template you like, click Edit to open it in the Wix Editor or Wix Studio. If you're the creative type, consider starting with a blank template for ultimate customizability. Now, it's time to customize your layout. Think about structuring your homepage with sections like a hero section with your artist name or logo, a music player section featuring your latest tracks, and an about section with your bio. Add sections for events, gallery, and perhaps a merch store. Each part should help visitors engage with your music and story. For the music features, be sure to integrate Wix music apps like the Wix Music Player to showcase your songs and the Wix Events app to manage gigs. You can even set up a merch store through Wix Stores, share your story with Wix Blog, and build your fan base using Wix Forms or automations. Be sure to switch to mobile view in the editor to optimize your site for mobile devices. This ensures music players and buttons are easy to tap and text is clear and concise. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time for the final touches. Finally, click on Publish to make your site live. Connect a custom domain to give your site that professional edge, and share your link on social media and music platforms to attract more fans. Moreover, leverage Wix's SEO tools to boost your site's presence in search results. When everything is ready, just click Done. Congratulations, you've now got an incredible website ready to showcase your music to the world.